Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by claiming and verifying your Google business profile, now so the platform recognizes you as the official owner. Once verified, make sure your name, address, phone match everywhere. Consistent NAP avoids delisting. Next, enable messaging and choose a precise primary category, then add 2 or more relevant secondary categories to widen search intent. Do these essentials first, so every subsequent optimization applies to the canonical profile Google trusts. Now you optimize signals that drive ranking and clicks. Upload 10 or more crisp photos showing your exterior, interior, staff, and top products so users instantly recognize you. Once done, craft a 750-plus character description that uses 3 target keywords naturally. Explain what makes you different without keyword stuffing. Make sure to populate attributes, service items, menu entries, booking links, and a short FAQ so Google displays rich, intent-matching results and customers get answers fast. Finish by turning the profile into a conversion engine. Ask customers with a simple, 3-step review script and reply to every review within 24 hours to boost trust signals. Post weekly offers or events to stay front of mind, and use UTM-tagged links to measure traffic and conversions. Once done, check insights and refresh photos monthly. If visibility stalls, troubleshoot by confirming schema on your website and fixing inconsistent NAP across top listings. Correct those and rankings typically recover.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.